Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a quick eye look from this company called Mesmereyes Company, and they sent me a whole lot of goodies, so make sure you watch that video, the unboxing video. So with their loose pigments, all I did was wet the brush with my setting spray and applied it on my lid. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now with these pigments, they are a tad bit messy, so that's why I didn't put no makeup on. I just want to show you how I do my loose pigments, because I don't think I ever showed you that on my channel, how I do my loose pigments. So that's how I do it. These are their water activated eyeliners. It's my first time ever using anything like this, but I just sprayed the container with the setting spray and use the eyeliner brush they did send me. I love this eyeliner brush. They did send me some more eyeliner brushes too. I will show you that on upcoming videos how to use those, but this one right here, honey, is my favorite. So right here I'm just outlining the eye. So with this eye look, I'm giving you cotton candy realness. So that's what I was going for with this eye look for today. So basically I'm just outlining the eye, basically carving out the eye with the blue liner. I never ever had a blue liner like this, and with these water activated liners, they don't crack or nothing. It is so perfect. Make sure you use my code SIMPLEEJESSICAR to save on your purchase. All right, so let's move on to face. This is Kiss New York. This is their full coverage concealer. It's in tan. It is a tad bit yellow, but I didn't mind it. I don't mind a yellow concealer. I'm gonna make it work anyhow. So I do love this. I'm just gonna highlight with points of my face or whenever I do my concealers, and then I'm gonna use my setting powder, all of that good stuff. So here's all the products that I use for the face. This right here is my favorite facial mist, and I'm just spraying my face with this. This right here is the Magic Collection new setting spray. I did a video on that also, so make sure you check out. And look at this highlighter. This is one of the loose pigment highlighters. Oh, it's giving you glass highlight skin, honey. Yes. And this purple, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that. Did you see that? I hope you saw that. Make sure you check out this brand. This brand is Black owned, and it's their products is really high quality. Make sure you watch my unboxing video. You'll see everything. This lip gloss has to be my favorite lip gloss, and it's a Black owned brand also. It's Perfect Imperfections Cosmetics. They have lip scrubs now and lip glosses, and also cuff nose rings. So make sure you check them out on IG and also on their website. Make sure you follow them, you guys. And everybody, this is my finished look. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.